This is Silvaner, coming from the Pfalz region of Germany, and it's made by a small family winery and farm called Odinstal. And this is the 2020 vintage. And Silvaner is a grape that doesn't get a lot of attention, but I think it deserves it because Silvaner, unlike Riesling, is almost always made fully bone dry. It's more in the realm of stony and a little bit more citrus and grapefruit and kind of earthy. And I think that smokiness and that earthiness that Silvaner brings makes it such a great food wine. It's ready to be paired with all sorts of summer salads and foods, especially things that have pickles. So if you have like a pickled vegetable salad or a salad or meat dish that you're even tossing some pickled vegetables on as a garnish, this is a perfect wine for that. It has a lot of salty lemon notes on the nose, so there is some of that citrus coming off of it. Maybe a little bit of peach or nectarine buried underneath that, but this wine's more about the smoke and it's more about that like vegetable ash and turnip and earthiness. And rather than having your palate greeted by this sweetness and roundness, it is linear and it's bone dry and it's razor sharp. So for anything summery or a great charcuterie board or just crudité vegetables with a little drizzle of olive oil and a drizzle of balsamic vinegar, this Odinstal Silvaner is a perfect match for you. So check it out. This is the wine of the week.